Ever get that frustrating Acumatica error message on your mobile device? You know, when an item with the same key has already been added.
Yeah.
I know, right?
Yeah.
Not exactly helpful in the moment.
Especially when you're trying to get work done on the go.
So today we're diving deep into this error and a pretty clever solution.
And it's a good reminder for all of us consultants about keeping those Acumatica instances clean.
Exactly. So let me introduce Rajani, a senior software engineer at Tiana Solutions.
Oh, wow.
She's been in the ERP world for 9 years and has tackled over 400 Acumatica projects. Think reports, inquiries, customizations, the whole works.
So she's seen a lot.
Definitely. And get this, she first ran into this same key issue when a client was on their mobile device.
Interesting how mobile use can sometimes reveal these hidden problems.
Right, and the culprit. Duplicate sitemaps.
Ah, I see.
Not a coding error, but a system bug that impacts various Acumatica versions.
Makes sense. Sitemaps are like the blueprints for Acumatica's structure.
So having duplicates is like having two conflicting sets of instructions.
No wonder the system throws an error.
Now, Rajani didn't just fix this for one client. She came up with a system using a custom generic inquiry to find ILL duplicate sitemaps.
That's proactive thinking right there.
Absolutely. And once you've spotted the duplicates, you carefully delete the extra ones.
Being careful is key here.
For sure. You don't want to delete the wrong sitemap. We'll have the XML file for her inquiry in the show notes so you can use it too.
That's a super helpful resource.
Rajani's approach reminds us of something important.
What's that?
Even if you're an Acumatica Pro, regular system, audits can reveal hidden problems that might cause headaches down the line.
True. It's all about being proactive, not reactive.
Imagine all the time and frustration you could save.
Plus, it shows clients are on top of things.
Speaking of expertise, let's talk about Tiana Solutions, where Rajani works.
Fill us in.
They're a team of Acumatica specialists handling everything from implementation to customization and support.
Like an extension of your own team.
Exactly. They're a great resource if you ever need extra help.
Always good to have experts in your corner.
Now, I don't want to give away all of Rajani's secrets just yet.
Oh, there's more.
We'll go deeper into how she tackled those duplicate sitemaps and some other challenges she's faced in the next part of our deep dive.
Looking forward to hearing those war stories you mentioned.
But before we move on, let's make sure we get the key lesson here.
Lay it on us.
Proactive system maintenance changes the game. It's not just about fixing problems, it's about preventing them and making sure your Acumatica instance runs smoothly.
Right, like being the expert who prevents fires, not just the one putting them out.
It's about peace of mind for everyone.
Which is priceless in the world of consulting.
Now let's dig deeper into why those duplicate sitemaps cause so much trouble in Acumatica.
So yeah, let's break down why these duplicate sitemaps are such a pain.
It seemed like a small thing.
Right, but they can cause big issues.
Oh.
Think of Acumatica as this intricate machine with tons of moving parts.
All right.
Sitemaps are basically the instructions for how all those parts work together.
So having two sets of instructions is confusing.
Exactly. Acumatica tries to follow both, and that's when you get those same key errors. It's like you're trying to assemble furniture with two sets of instructions that totally clash.
I could see that ending badly.
Oh, yeah. In Acumatica, it could mean data corruption instability, even system downtime.
Not good.
Not at all. Which is why Rajani's solution is so important. It helps us find and get rid of those conflicting instructions so Acumatica runs smoothly.
It's like decluttering your Acumatica instance.
I like that. Getting rid of all the unnecessary stuff and making sure everything is organized.
Now, some consultants might be thinking, I'm way too busy to do that.
But here's the thing. Proactive maintenance like this actually saves you time in the long run.
It's like tidying up your house a little each week versus letting it get so messy you need a professional cleaning crew.
Exactly. A little effort up front prevents huge headaches later. And remember, happy Acumatica clients mean happy consultants.
Happy clients definitely lead to more business.
It's a win-win. Proactive maintenance makes your clients happy and boosts your reputation as a top-notch consultant.
Speaking of expertise, Rajani and her team at Tiana Solutions are full of it. They're not just fixing problems, they're finding creative solutions to common Acumatica headaches.
They're true problem solvers, always going the extra mile.
And they're on top of the latest Acumatica updates.
It's like having a secret weapon, knowing you can turn to them for help.
Before we finish this part, I want to leave our listeners with something to think about.
Go ahead.
If you haven't already, make time to really examine your client's Acumatica instances.
Give them a thorough checkup.
You never know what you might find. Duplicate sitemaps could be just the start.
And if you need help with those audits or hit a snag, remember Tiana Solutions is there for you.
They're a valuable resource for any Acumatica consultant who wants to improve their skills and provide excellent service. So we've been talking all about proactive system maintenance and how something small, like duplicate sitemaps, can have a big impact on Acumatica users.
And how cleaning up those instances can save you time and make you a better consultant for your clients.
Right. It's about taking things to the next level.
Yeah, being a trusted advisor who really knows Acumatica inside and out.
And that's where Rajani and Tayana Solutions stand out. They're known for being problem solvers who dig deep to find those solutions others miss.
That kind of expertise is a lifesaver for busy consultants.
Imagine you're in the middle of a tough implementation and you hit a wall.
Been there.
Maybe a customization isn't working right or an integration is being tricky.
Having someone to talk to in those moments is crucial.
And that's what Tayana Solutions offers. They've seen it all, and they're ready to help you succeed.
It's like having a safety net.
Before we wrap up, I want to come back to one key point.
What's that?
Proactive maintenance isn't just about a smooth-running Acumatica. It's also about strengthening your client relationships.
I see what you mean.
When you catch potential issues before they become big problems, you're showing clients how much you care.
Absolutely.
It proves you're invested in their success, not just there for the paycheck. You're a true partner.
That kind of partnership is what makes a great consultant.
So if you're ready to take your Acumatica consulting to the next level, remember the power of proactive maintenance and the support Tayana Solutions offers.
They're the Acumatica experts ready to help you reach new heights. Their number is 678-910-2774.
Until next time, keep those Acumatica instances running smoothly and those client relationships strong.